Hi, welcome back. So now it's the time to publish the JS2SDK, this SDK that we have created. It's only created for login, but actually we will create the for other service as well. But we'll see what we have created so far. Okay. So before moving forward, I'll publish the minified SDK. So how we'll do that? Let's do this. Okay. Clear cache. It's always best practice to clear the cache. Okay, publish. Okay, it is created in SDK for you. Okay, so what I have done is I have created one HTML file. I just added one minified this one because it was not there actually. If I delete this one also, it will. I'll show you how it is. Okay, I have deleted this one. This is created, published. Okay, so this has created, right? So I have added this SDK here and couple of calls. Okay, so what I'm doing here is initializing. So this is the initialize call. For whatever calls we need to execute, using JS2 SDK, before everything we need to initialize the SDK. Okay, so this one is for that. Then after that it is calling the login things. Okay, so forget about this command because this is not going to use here. Okay, so I'm passing the username and password and it is throwing a callback. Okay, now I'll execute. Okay, it passes, right? So we'll see what it has done so far. It does pass the username and password, right? We have a callback. They have received user all the authentication token and all this data from the server, and it got persisted also. That I will show you how it is. And here is the structure they have created. Two tables. Okay, one is default and one is comment that we already create the model, right? So we will see that. Okay, now before moving further, I'll tell you something. See, this is a login, right? So from next call onwards, we need to be authenticated. There are some calls, some web service need to be authenticated, right? Some are not, but some should be authenticated. So here we need to configure things. This is created for you automatically, and I'll tell you what it is. This ID is referred, like, see, when you are calling logging, it is returning something, right? So it will return something. So this ID is like this authentication token. We already know that this is auth token, right? So you should write here whatever the name it is. If it is like auth or something, it is referring from the server side, you have to give the same name over here, like this one. Okay, this for all, you understood what it is and all. Okay, for this is what it is, like both is again access token. Okay, for the other subsequent call, for the other calls that we are going to create now, what should be the token name, what should be the name for the token and all. See, uh, here they get call, we are giving comments, right? The comments, this is using query parameters, but here the key is access token, right? So this is the same name I have given over here. Got it, right? Okay, fine. So now I will implement the second uh, web service call. Okay,